Looking for my other coat. It's gonna be cold doing this. Okay, welcome back everybody. In this video, we're taking the gator out for a rip in the snow. Family's outside waiting.
Snow slide.
You wanna make a slide?
Yes.
It's cold as shit out here. Yeah, so first off, we'll take the gator. We got the trail to go through and a couple roads to hit here. Plow through some snow. And then I'm gonna pull my whole family around in a toboggan. Game on. Absolutely, we're gonna get the toboggan going.
Take the straight shot.
Cold start. I'm a big doofus of a dog. Okay. This is the day. Okay. I got some gas. It's later in the day, it's way colder. Let's go for a ride, guys. It runs a little better with gas. Hell yeah. Look how nice it is here. Oh, bushwhacking, cold. Oh. Okay, that was cold. We made it though. Look at this shit. Run into some wild animals or something, which there's probably lots of them on this hill. Let's head forward more on this last battery. Oh shit. Well, that's the end of our ride, guys. Well, at least until I get a chainsaw. I swear I dropped my phone somewhere. I didn't. Hell yeah. Hell yeah, we can go right. Second attempt to go around has failed. Damn it. Okay. You're on the other mount. Where does it say that on all the YouTube videos? Fell in a hole though, like straight up fell in a hole. I don't know why. I appreciate you guys watching. If the camera dies, this is my last battery. I think we got like 2 more hills and we got to butt drag down that big hill. So hopefully this isn't the last of the outro. I can say goodbye when I get home, but cheers from Canada, guys. Happy New Year's. Thanks for watching Whiskey Throttle. Please tell somebody you know. Helps grow the channel. I appreciate it. Okay, let's keep going. Ow, ow. Tell me you can't see that. Still going down the hill. The big steep one now. I think we're in neutral. Oh shit. Oh! That's dope. We're making it. Yes, look at that toboggan.